Hey you guys, back at you with another video from the Gaming Kings 497 here. Today we're in Venice Beach, California, and today we're taking a look at all the artwork that people are doing. They refreshed the walls so everyone is doing their artwork. So me being me, I went around and I took lots of video of all the artwork. So let's go ahead and hop straight into it. This is a vlog, there's a lot of stuff in this, and I hope you guys do enjoy.
Here on Schmo 19, SHMOE 19 art.
Load to get 1-8. Load to get 1-8.
Now we're in Hollywood. Let's explore in Hollywood. Now we're here at we walked all the way over to the Hollywood Mall. Hollywood Boulevard Mall. We're here. this guy doing? Standing in the middle of the street. What happened?
The guy wants to do that or wants to do
Oh, that's what I just said. Standing in the middle of the street. Slow your roll, buddy. What? Yeah. Some of everything.
That's where you want to go. The Hollywood exotic shop.
Oh, wow. You know.
That's sure they'll shoot the other way. Really expensive place.
Really? Now I can actually take off my mask. I'm dying with this mask on.
No, you can't.
Oh, I can do whatever I want.
When the cop comes by and it's $300.
Oh, well.
If you're 18, you're over 18, then you can't take my down pay for it.
Oh, I'll say whatever I want.
But
You made me take it off. You made me take my mask off.
I don't even know who this kid is. It ain't my kid. I just came with it.
Oh, look at his arm. It says my name on it, buddy. Look at his arm. It says my name on it. Probably can't even get it. Probably can't even see it. Oh, right there.
All this way, look.
Until we see those lanes reopen.
Breaking news when it happens. Stay connected to KNX 1070.